Australia. Today we've got our new toy, the Insta360 X4. We're going to do an unboxing. I just tore the top off, so here we go. That is, I think they've given us a complimentary water bottle. It's been about a week since, I can't remember what exactly we ordered. There's the invisible selfie stick. Ooh. There is the multi-function bullet handle. What else we got? We got the quick reader. We got the mic adapter. We got a cool little carrying case. That looks awesome. That looks really good. What else we got? We got the lens cap protector. We got the fast charger. Oh, the list goes on and on and on. We got an extra battery. Why not? You might as well when you're going this hard with this whole thing. What's this? Oh, that's the little clamp, the little shoe. Nice. For the thing. Still going here. We haven't got to the goodness. There's the wind muffs. We decided just to buy that.
It's a memory card?
We can buy them anywhere, yeah, but we decided why not just buy that one. It's probably a little bit more expensive than normal. And so stay tuned while we start mucking around about this stuff. We just got this and we're about to have dinner. So anyway, there's our little package. Anyway, we will jump back on later when we start to actually undo everything, okay? We're going to have something to eat. So, everybody, see you soon, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment. See you soon. Bye. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Life Snapshot. Greg and Evelyn again from Australia. We have unboxed, kind of, our new toy, the old Insta X4. And now we're going to actually open up all the bits and pieces. So join us on this journey. If you like this and other stuff that we've got on video at the moment, please subscribe, and if you want, comment. We love hearing from people, especially from other parts of the world and stuff like that. Get to know other people from other parts of the world. We'll be traveling soon. We're going to try and do that early next year, if not this year, but we'll keep everyone posted. So yeah, anyway, let's do this. So first of all, they gave us a cool little gift, which is the little water flask. So I'll just open that up, have a quick look at it. Okay, I'll put the boxes over here. Ooh, look at that, man. Isn't that nice? They're not a sponsor or anything, okay, just in case people think there's no sponsor. We bought this for our own moolah. Everyone bought it. Oh, that's pretty good quality. I like that. So anyway, that's that. But that's not important. Get away. All right, baby. Let's open the little bits and pieces first. So we decided to get everything because, you know, we just wanted to make sure if you get sort of try and save a bit of money and don't get some stuff, then, you know, it'll probably be something that you really need. That's the little shoe to hold the mics and stuff, so that's kind of cool. We'll put that there. Okay, put the boxes over here. We'll sort that out later. Okay, what next, babe?
That one.
The mic adapter?
Yes.
Oh, it's got little things. Let's have a look. Boink. Boink. So we're going to go up and see friends up at Port Macquarie. For people who don't know, it's about 6 hours drive for us, west-south of Sydney. Port Macquarie is north of Sydney. So we're going to test a lot of this stuff out when we go on a bit of a trip. Come and meet a few of my friends I haven't seen for ages. Sorry about that. How do you open this? It's got a little thing there. I don't want to ruin the box. I can help it. Oh, I think I got it. Wow, look at this little chunky thing.
What is it?
That's the mic adapter, yeah. So we'll put that there. It's a little mic adapter. Try not to ruin the boxes. Okay, and then we've got the little wind muffs. I don't think we need to.
Yeah, open it.
Okay, all right. As soon as you said to open it, I'll open it. Alright, God, it's pretty well packed, got to admit. Oh, okay. Yeah, wow, look at that. Anyway, we'll sort that out. That's cool. I thought, it looks like they gave us like, okay, so there's 6, right? Because you only need 2 for use. So it looks like there's 2 to use and two pairs spare, which is kind of cool. Okay, well, we won't argue with that. I'll put that there. All right, baby, what next?
Okay, this little one. That one.
Let's do this one. I want to save that one. Okay. Come on, baby.
Careful with your...
Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh, got it. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to rip it. It's pretty hard not to rip it. Okay. Well, you can't knock the packaging, that's for sure. So that's a little quick reader. You know, I don't know if we're anyway,
Nice.
yeah, a little quick reader. We'll do another thing on it later. Oosh. All right, next, baby. Oh, let's do the lens cap. I want to have a look at this thing, man. I think these things are really important to get. So if anybody's deciding to buy this camera, why would you spend all the money and not get the stuff that protects it? So I think that's a pretty good advice thing on my behalf, to make sure if you do buy it, spend the extra money and get these things that are going to protect it. Look at that little baby.
Nice.
Oh, it feels soft. Oh my God, it feels so soft. Incredible. Okay, so that's that. Boom, 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 boom. We're going to go through that. Now we get into the good stuff.
That's a...
There's a fast charger. Charger. Oh God, I hate doing that. Anyway, oh. All right. Ooh. Check that out. Oh, that's going to be useful. We're going to put that back in there, babe.
Yes.
That's really good. That's really well packed.
And it has a wire there.
Yeah, yep. Oh, that's pretty cool. Right, awesome. We got a thing. So depending on how much we use it, we're guessing we won't even need the 2 batteries, but later on, if we need the extra battery, we'll get it. I'll leave it out so we know what's going on. I'll keep that there too, babe, so we know that thing's there. Okay, get rid of all that.
And the extra battery.
Now we got the extra battery. Oh man, that is well packed. Oh my goodness. How to get that one out? I've got to rip it. Oh, getting too anxious. There we go. Okay. Right, okay, I got it. Oh, I see, it's got the padding too.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Really protected.
Oh, it's got a little packet. Look at that.
Nice.
How cool is that? That's awesome. I love it. I love that. I really appreciate that they go to the extra mile with all this stuff. All right, babe. What next?
This one.
The
Yes.
selfie sticks.
Yes.
So we got the invisible selfie stick. Dun, dun, dun. Pretty self-explanatory. Oh man, nothing better than touching something for the first time, eh? Look at that. How cool is that?
Nice.
We'll once we get it up and start demonstrating what we're doing with it and everything, we'll make another video. That's what next, babe? The other one?
Yes.
Okay. Very impressed with the packaging, my goodness. Very impressed. Oh, this one's got a thing too, look. Oh, look at that. So good, look at that. Wow. That is so cool how they do that. It's even got, look at that. They even got that on it. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? All right, we're getting to the nitty gritty. So we've got the carry case. We're actually looking at buying the is it a metal one, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, the proper quality metal case. I think it's metal. So we looked into it in Australia and it's about, what was it, $50?
Yes.
So we're thinking of buying that, just going the whole.
Actually, that one is look good.
Well, it does look good. I'm impressed. I thought it was going to be more softer than that. Oh yeah, it's okay. You know what? That's we might get away with that.
Yeah.
We might get away. Then just get one of those bags. You said, babe. That's cool. That's good. That's good quality. That will take a bit of a thump. Definitely, if you're just travelling, that's pretty good. That's probably good enough.
Yeah.
So
I think it is, Bobby.
yeah, we'll check that out anyway. Okay. Da, 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 da.
The last one is
This is the final thing. We'll just put that out of the way there. Okay, so it's just got the plastic around it. First of all, I'll just see if I can... Actually, what I might do is just... Should be able to just pop it. Like that. Yep. And that comes off. I don't want to do a exciting 16-year-old with a new iPhone and drop it. Here we go, it's coming out. Someone decides to fly their private plane over the top.
nice.
Wow, look at that. Hey, how cool is that? So it looks like it's got the protecting lenses on it. We didn't get the what are they called? They're just the standard ones.
Yeah. I think that's not the one.
We're not the premium ones, right? We didn't get the premium ones because we were told that the standard ones, we did a bit of reviewing and checking stuff out. They said that the premium ones are not really that much better. So we'll just play that by ear for
Show
now.
me the back. The back of the camera.
We'll play that by ear by now.
Okay.
To see what's going on. And it's very, it's like, it's got some weight to it.
Solid.
Oh man, it's got some weight to it, babe. We're going to have to be really careful. That's incredible how much weight that's got.
So you don't put it directly.
Like, it's not heavy. I don't want to, I don't want to say the wrong things. People thinking about this, but it's weight that you can tell it's quality. It's not heavy. It's just it'll be easy to use. But yeah, it's got some quality weight to it, and it looks like this is all.
Probably we have the screen protector as well with it.
Yeah, we'll see. Here it comes. Okay, this is, I think, all the goods, the gizmos. Oh yeah, some stuff in there too. Oh, okay, that's another case. And
That's the case.
that's the safe.
The screen protector.
That's the screen protectors, I guess. I don't know if that's just packaging. I don't know what that is.
I think we have the lenses there.
Oh, you know what these are? They're the protectors in there.
Okay.
They're for that. But this is...
There's the camera alone case.
Yeah. Oh, let me have a feel of it. Oh my God, no, that is really nice. That is really good quality. And there's some more bits and pieces in here. Charging cord. I think that's just a cloth. Yeah.
The screen.
And it's even got the thermo grip cover. That's very cool too. Thermo grip cover. So there you have it. That's our unboxing of our brand new Insta360 X4. Give us some thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks guys for watching, and we're going to put all this together and we're going to start crash coursing it and see how we go, and we're going to let you guys come along for that journey. So all the best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.